How to log out of your account on Sufferfest. Sufferfest was adapted by Wahoo Fitness application on 2019. So in order to log out of Sufferfest, you need to log out of your account on Wahoo Fitness app. First, open the Wahoo Fitness application. And once you're inside the app, you want to simply tap on your profile icon at the top left of your screen. And here you want to simply tap on your account. After that, you want to scroll down, and here you want to scroll down all the way, and you want to simply tap on log out option and tap on log out again. By doing so, you have successfully logged out of your account on Wahoo. If you want to log in again, you want to simply tap on log in over here. Type it out your email and password over here to log in into your account again. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe.